Hey creators, welcome back to BlipCut channel.
Do you think Mrs. Parker Bowles was a factor in the breakdown of your marriage?
Well, there were three of us in this marriage, so it was a bit crowded.
¿Crees que la señora Parker Bowles fue un factor en la ruptura de tu matrimonio?
Bueno, éramos tres en este matrimonio, así que estaba un poco abarrotado.
Today, we're excited to introduce you to an online platform called BlipCut. With this tool, there's no need to download any software, it's all online, making it super convenient and accessible. First, let's click the green button. Start by clicking the Try Free Online button on the homepage. Then you can either upload a video by clicking the designated box or simply drag and drop it. In the top right corner, you'll find a drop-down bar. Click and choose Target Languages. With over 130 languages available and even various accents to choose from, you can tailor the translation to your audience's preferences. Now select Voice Options. A pop-up box will appear, giving you two options: choose a new voice for your video or let the AI clone the voice from your original video. This feature ensures a natural and professional result. Adjust additional settings that these options allow you to customize your output to match the feel of your content. Once everything is set, click the Translate button. The AI will process your video, and in just a few seconds, your translated video will be ready. What makes BlipCut even more impressive is how easy it is to use while still delivering professional-grade results. Whether you're looking to reach a global audience or just save time on editing, this tool has you covered. Don't forget to explore the additional features like subtitle editing and video enhancements to make your content even more engaging.